In this video, I will show you how to play the Brookhaven experience on Roblox on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on the PS5 home screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Roblox. And here we are, as you can see in Roblox. Now to go ahead and play the Brookhaven experience, really easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a search icon up here. So just go ahead and press X onto the search icon, and underneath the search box you want to make sure you've selected experiences, and then in the search box just go ahead and type Brookhaven. So once that's done, just press R2 on your controller and that's going to search for Brookhaven on Roblox. So of course you can see there's a lot of different versions of Brookhaven available. Now the official one is going to be the first result that comes through, which is this one here. So all you want to do is press X onto this experience. And as you can see, it's going to take you to this screen, and all you need to do is press the green play button on here. And what it's going to do is actually load up the Brookhaven experience. So as you can see, we're now in Brookhaven, so you just need to wait a minute for everything to load through. It generally takes a minute or two for all the graphics and textures and your character and things like that to load through. But once it's ready to go, you can see the play button. Now what you're going to want to do at this point on your controller is go ahead and press the touchpad, which is the big button here. Then what you can do is use your joystick to come down to the play button, press X, and you're going to jump into the game. Once you jump in the game, make sure to press the touchpad again, just to revert back to controlling your avatar. And as you can see, we are now playing the Brookhaven experience on Roblox on PS5. So that is how to go ahead and play the Brookhaven experience on Roblox on PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.